What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Now, as you can tell by the title, today I'm taking you through a little relaxing midweek nightly reset. That's what I'm gonna call it. There were just some things around my house that I needed to get together. I needed to clean, I needed to pick up groceries and, you know, get myself together. This hair, these nails. I start off with picking up my groceries. I do order pickup. I like to just pull up and then bring it to my car. I did head to the mall, picked up some new shoes. These were like $40, so I just bought them just because. And then I went to Ulta to get some hair stuff and nail things because I am obviously going to be doing my hair. And I needed some new products that I wanted to try out. Now, while I tackle the bedding in these bedrooms, I have to give a shout out to today's sponsor. Thank you, Bare Mattress, for sponsoring today's video. They are currently running a Labor Day sale where you can get 35% off your purchase. But let me tell you a little bit about them for those of you who are new to my channel. Bare Mattress is, of course, a mattress company. They provide premium quality mattresses intended to improve your quality of sleep. Of course, we all have different preferences when it comes to how we sleep, so Bare makes shopping for their mattresses very simple. You can head directly to their website to take a quick quiz. This quiz asks you all the important questions regarding your lifestyle, the positions you'd like to sleep in, your age, your weight, your comfort level. Then you are matched with a few recommendations from them. The mattress is delivered right to your front door with no shipping costs. It comes sealed, tight, and protected. And as you can see from the video, it is very easy to cut open and set up. I've had my Hybrid Elite mattress for about 10 months now, and it's honestly the best mattress I've ever had. Now, a little bit about us. Teron and I are both back and side sleepers. I've always struggled with back pain when sleeping, and he's always struggled with shoulder pain. Plus, we both run extremely hot in our sleep. Our Hybrid Elite mattress is super comfortable and plush, but it's still very supportive. The mattress is made with 3 premium foams, so it's designed to remove and push away unwanted body heat, so all in all, it's been perfect for our needs. We do also have a Bare mattress in our guest bedroom, of course, the Hybrid Elite, but in firm. We've had a few guests stay and they all love the mattress, and sometimes Teron takes naps in our guest room. Still a super comfortable mattress. It gives just a bit more support for those who need it and who also aren't big on the super plushy feeling. One other thing I want to mention about Bare Mattress is their sleep trial. So if you're considering them but you are not 100% sure, you do have 120 nights to test out the mattress to ensure that you love it. Plus there's a lifetime warranty included. But we all know how important sleep is for our overall health and quality sleep at that. So it's absolutely important to invest in yourself. I do have a discount code which will get you 30% off, but with the Labor Day sale that's currently going on, you will receive 35% off plus $400 worth of sleep accessories for free. So jump on this limited time sale. And thank you again, Bare Mattress, for sponsoring today's video. Now, moving along, I feel like I can't handle any task if my apartment is not completely clean. I just don't like things out. So thankfully, it's not super dirty. Just a few things I need to be straightened up. Plus, I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight, so I need the kitchen completely clean. Because this isn't really a deep cleaning video, just a little midweek reset, I'm not gonna be mopping. Vacuuming is good enough at the moment. moving along into my office. I just got stuff out. You know, just as the week goes on, you just start opening things and then just like leaving them. And so yeah, just stuff that needs to be put away. Just a little mid-cleaning snack. I'm obsessed with these soup dumplings from Trader Joe's. If you have not had them, you need them. I prefer the chicken, but they do have pork. I just put on some low sodium soy sauce and some chili flakes, and that's it. Okay, so I am making a dough right now. Teron loves pecan pie, and so I make it for him like all the time, but I had tons of the filling left over, so I thought I would just kind of make some little cupcake size mini pies later on. So this is me just kind of prepping the dough. I don't know why I ever go to the grocery store and buy things like this when like even like the tortillas I made in the last video. It's so easy to make like tortillas and pie dough, and you have those stuff in your home already. So just took me like literally a few minutes to throw together that dough and pop it in the fridge. Time to tackle these nails. Okay, so I bought a little nail set, a little nail kit, because I'm just tired of going to get my nails done. I pay $100+ every single time getting gel nails just for them to peel for me in about a week. So I'm like, I can do my own nails if they're gonna peel in a week. And so this is a trial and error. I'm sure I'll get better as it goes along, but we're gonna be doing our own nails moving forward, and I'll keep you updated on how that goes. If you didn't know, I'm just this plain, simple, nude, natural color girl, so that's why it's best for me to just do it myself. Moving along to tackle this hair because I am in desperate need of a deep cleaning. My psoriasis is starting to come back a little bit, so now I had to use like specific shampoo maybe once a month, and it works wonders. And then I'm going in with like a clarifying shampoo and then a regular shampoo. And then of course we're gonna deep condition because the clarifying shampoo as well as the psoriasis shampoo is just kind of drying, but still deep condition your hair. I try to every like week and a half, but I'm definitely gonna be on top of it since, you know, I've started my new hair journey. I'm just putting in a hair mask, and then we are going to sit under the steamer. Again, I will list all these products down below. So for people who want to know how I read so many books a month, I'm always reading. If you see any break I get, I'm reading. When I was doing my nails, reading. Hair, reading. So I'm always reading. Let's wash out this mask, and then I'm gonna do my little flexi rods. I do have a video on my channel of the full process of me doing my flexi rods, so if you wanna see that, go ahead and check that video out, because here I just kinda run through it really quickly. It's all about keeping the hair moisturized. My leave-in conditioner, my styling cream, and then I lock it all in with an oil. But now I'm gonna make a little dinner. I made this chicken lemon caper recipe the other day and it was so fire, so I had to come back again. I made it over rice last time, but I thought, let me try it over pasta. Y'all know I season my chicken heavily. I'm heavy with the seasonings, but this recipe is super simple. Don't really measure anything. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, but also, I put way too much butter, so you will see me removing half of it.
On my way home.
Okay. Your girl's been in the kitchen though. I've really been whipping up some recipes and killing it. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Look at the chicken. Also, this is obviously a massive portion. Teron, he can eat this whole pot. Like, the way he eats pasta is crazy. So I have to make triple the amount. So if you make this, you can make way less than what I'm making. Oh my gosh, it was so fire. It was so fire. Also, I get a lot of comments when it comes to like me eating carbs and in things like with PCOS, and people are asking how can you eat all of that? The thing is, I don't eat like this all the time. Like this is not something I would do daily, even weekly. Like every once in a while I want to try a new recipe, or I want to have dessert or things like that, but this is not how I eat regularly. And also, I don't eat like massive portions too, so it definitely comes down to portion control. That's been like the biggest thing for me. Because old me would have ate like 3 bowls of that pasta, but you know, keep it cute. Eat more protein, eat a little bit less of the carbs. But here is the leftover filling for the pecan pie, so that's why I decided to, you know, just make some little cupcake size versions of it. And that's pretty much it. Just cook these. Got all my tasks done for the day, feeling clean, hair's done, nails done, and that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Thank you again, Bare Mattress, for sponsoring, and check the description box for all info.